So, good morning, student, again. Welcome back to the class. Hope you are doing well, safe at home. Everybody is keeping well with you in your family. So, last day I ended my class with the quite a few little bit of description with 3 questions by Leo Tolstoy. Today, मैं आप लोगों को today I am going to give you আমি তোদের বলে দিতে চাই अबाउट द क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ इसका जो सब्सटेंस है वो क्या है. आई वुड लाइक टू गो थ्रू द क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन. सो टेक डाउन द क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ लियो टॉल्स्टॉय's 3 questions. Leo Tolstoy has been paramountly recorded as an author whose thought has been logically supported the whole human race. Since he has started writing, it has come into light that his focus has been always through that particular concern where no other poets or authors have been ever trying to focus. In the story 3 questions, we have come to realize not only Leo Tolstoy's views, but with the help of his writing, we also have come to realize the reality of our everyday's condition. So it should be a common introduction you can use wherever the question or whatever the questions may be coming in your examination. आप ये जो इंट्रोडक्शन है इंट्रोडक्शनটা তোরা সব জায়গায় ব্যবহার করতে পারিস. दिस इंट्रोडक्शन आप लोग सब जगह व्यवहार कर सकते हैं. फिर भी अगले साले क्लासों में मैं इंट्रोडक्शन भी यूज़ करूँगा. सो पैरा चेंज. So certainly it happens to a Tsar. Tsar means the king of Russia. Once he was looking for the answers of his questions. The questions were, who is the important person, what is the important time, what is the important person, and what is the important work to do. So these are the feelings. These were the questions suddenly aroused in the king's mind. Full stop. After getting into the questions, he was looking for the answers, and after having a long discussion with his courtiers and the other people in his kingdom, he did not find a particular answer. Suddenly he came to know that there was a certain hermit living in a forest who could have been known for his own knowledge and wisdom. So the Tsar decided to meet him, but he also came to know that the person did not wish to meet anybody with his such gorgeous attire. He used to meet with the common people. With a decision to become a common people, the Tsar devoted all his armor dresses outside the jungle, and then he went into the jungle. When he came into the jungle, he saw that the hermit was digging a soil. After greeting the Tsar, the hermit went on digging. He did not say anything. The Tsar suddenly asked him with his queer acquisition about the questions. But to his utter surprise, the hermit did not reply anything. In fact, the hermit went on digging. Seeing that, the Tsar also wanted to help him. But after a while, when the Tsar became tired, the hermit took the spade from him and started digging on his behalf. Suddenly, they saw a bearded man coming out of the jungle who was bleeding profusely. Full stop. Seeing the man, both of them decided to save his life. The king started to bandage and rebandage his wounds one by one with the handkerchief and the towel of the hermit. The hermit also tried to rescue the life of the person. Full stop. After a long battle with the wounds, they somehow saved the life of the wounded man. After it, the wounded man fell asleep in the couch of the hermit, and beside him, after a long day's trial, the king also fell asleep. After a while, when the king woke up, he saw that the bearded man was looking at him with a surprised look. He did not realize what the man was looking for and what he was asking for from him. Full stop. After it, the bearded man suddenly was asking for an apology from the Tsar. The Tsar did not realize that the Tsar even did not remember any enmity between them. Then the man explained the whole incident that the Tsar had squeezed the treasures of his brother and executed his life. In order to take revenge, the bearded man hid in a bush to attack upon the Tsar, but suddenly he came upon his bodyguard and the bodyguards wounded him. So the Tsar suddenly, instantly gave him a respite from his all guilty. He rescued all his property and told him that from now on, everyone of his family, means the everyone, comma, means the servant, the physician will take over of him, and he need not to pay any revenue or any charges. After getting out from the hermit's huts, he again asked the hermit who was digging the same soil about the answers of his question. This time hermit replied no answer, but again repeatedly asking, the hermit suddenly replied that the king has already been answered. The king was surprised how he has already been answered. So the hermit replied him by telling that try to memorize the yesterday's incidents. If the Tsar was not here, his life would have been killed by that particular bearded man. So that was the important part time. And if at that moment the bearded man was the important person because we were saving his life, and the important work was to save his life. So from here you can change the para. From the above discussion, we have come to a conclusion that every time, and moreover the present moment is our important time. In fact, regarding the Tsar's case and the hermit's case, their present moment was the most important time, and at the present moment with whom we are living is our important persons, with whom we are standing or sitting or talking, with whom we are now are the important person, and to do their good is our important task. Therefore, from Tolstoy's views, we have come to realize that now is our present moment, now is our stronger moment because we can do anything, because it is our under capacity. Past has already gone, future is uncertain, and with whom we are living is our important person, and to do their good is our important work. So in this way the critical appreciation, full stop here, in this way I am going to end the critical appreciation. I would like to tell you one thing, we are very much clear about the concept 3 question. Leo Tolstoy has been carrying a true utmost fact which we have to get in our mind, that we need to deal with it every day in our everyday's life. We are always trying to look for the future, trying to look for our upward coming incidents, but it's completely impossible. Our past has gone, that we have already seen. Our present we are living in, and our future is completely depend upon our presence. Therefore, standing at home, just getting into this same thing in the mind, I would like to suggest you all my students that now fighting with the COVID-19 was a present situation. We did not realize that this situation was about to come. But one thing I strongly believe, and I want you to believe, that we must come over this situation. We are fighting well. So in the online classes, I am just wishing you best of luck. Take care of your health. Keep in the home as much as possible, and suggest everyone to keep a safe distance. Try to sanitize every day. In the next class, I will give you some questions from 3 questions, and I hopefully transfer myself to another poem, whatever you like, whatever your comments may be. So take care. Till then, goodbye. We'll be meeting soon again in the next class with this chapter along with the new chapter. I hope you have already get a good idea or a concept of Leo Tolstoy's 3 questions. Hopefully, if you are having any question apart from this, please reply me. I will be in touch with you. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon.